In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset forgotten password in Windows 11 without losing data. Let's start by clicking on the Start menu. Click on the Power button, then press and hold the Shift and select Restart. Go to Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. After that, click the See More Recovery options at the bottom, then click System Image Recovery. The window will appear and reimage your computer. Click on Cancel. Further, select a system image backup. You have to click on Next. Moreover, you will get a Windows for select the location of the backup for the computer. And if you want to restore, click on Advanced. Then you have to click on Install a driver. A window will appear for Add drivers. You have to click on OK. Choose this PC, then click to Local Disk C. Now you have to go to Windows folder and open the System32 folder. Find the file Utilman, right-click on it, and rename it. For example, Utman12. Make sure that the file was renamed by clicking on the Refresh button. Now you need to close all windows. Click on Continue. Then your computer will restart. And then the command prompt will appear. In the command, type this, then hit Enter. You will see all users' account, and then click Reset Password. No need to type password, just hit OK. Close the command prompt, and that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.